Hi, welcome to my channel System Web Tech. In this video we are going to learn translate and typing in other languages, in any other language. Let's take Hindi. So for this conversion, if you want to convert in Excel, you have to connect the first your PC or your computer with the internet. If it is not connected, it will not work. So let's select this cell, go to the review and click over the translate, and in translate, whatever the language you want to take, just take from, select it from here, Hindi, and insert, right? It's, but again let's take this, select this translate, but translate will option will not work if it is not connected to the internet. Translate, so it translated. Now I have to insert this language, Hindi language. Simply click over insert. Similarly, every time translate, insert, translate, insert, translate, insert. So you, every time you have to click over the translate and it will insert, right? Let's see some name also. Click over the translate. So it is taking very long time. If you have a bulk data, you have to convert in Hindi or in any other language, so it is taking very time. Every time we have to do translate and insert. So for bulk data, we have to we will translate in Google Sheet, right? Because this is taking very long time. For bulk data it will be a problem. So let's move to a Google Sheet. We will convert it here. You may convert it in any language. Language name and language code is present here. You have to apply the formula Google Translate. I'm sorry, not finance, it is translate, and select the cell, comma. Now under the inverted commas, you have to take the first two letters of a language. So this language is written in English, so first two letters of English, and I want to convert in Hindi, so first two letters of Hindi HI under the inverted commas. Simply we will do drag and drop. So right, so whatever the name they can convert, they convert it. Similarly again, if you want in any other language, you have to alright, so what we will do simple drag. Let's show you. Let me drag it. So this is the same he put it. So for this, if you drag, you have to change the cell name from here A2, and this time I want to convert in Gujarati, GU, enter, right? We got in Gujarati language. Similarly in other languages also. For example, I want in Tamil, TA, enter, but again we forget to change the cell name. A2 is the cell, so we get this cell, we get the Tamil language. So hope you like this video. All the languages name and language code is written over here. You have to just enter the code in the Google Translate formula in inverted commas. So hope you like this video. If you like it, then do subscribe our channel. Any doubt, then do comment. Any other query also, you want the video on any other concept, then do comment in the comment section. Keep watching our videos present in our playlist. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.